Welcome to Hacker Hacks, your ultimate source for breaking cybersecurity news. Today we're diving into the Oracle Cloud hack, a new Windows 0 day, and the latest Chrome exploit. We'll also discuss Signal's government adoption, VMware's security flaws, and a Chinese hacking campaign, plus insights on SEC cybersecurity rules and a $4.6 million fraud settlement. Let's get started. A hacker named Rose 87,168 claims to have breached Oracle Cloud, exposing data from 140,000 tenants, including SSO and LDAP passwords. Oracle denied any breach, stating that the leaked credentials are unrelated to its cloud. However, security firms Hudson Rock and CloudSec analyzed 100,000 sample records and found evidence suggesting real user data was compromised. Threat intelligence firm Keller identified 1547 unique domains and 1510 tenant IDs across 90 countries, including government entities. The breach may involve CVE 2000 21,35,587, a vulnerability in Oracle Fusion middleware. Oracle has yet to respond to new findings. DNI Tulsi Gabbard testified that Signal now comes pre-installed on government devices following CISA's December guidance, recommending end-to-end encryption for high-risk individuals like government personnel. This shift follows a Chinese-linked hack of US telecom networks which compromised top officials' communications. Signal was previously unauthorized for government use, with agencies like the NSA and DoD warning against its risks. Cybersecurity experts stress that Signal should not be used for classified discussions, as its interception could pose security threats. A new Windows zero-day vulnerability affecting Windows 7 to Windows 11 v24, H2 and Server 2008, R2 to Server 2025 has been discovered with no official patch from Microsoft yet. Acro's security CEO Mitya Kolsek revealed that the flaw allows attackers to steal NTLM credentials just by tricking users into viewing a malicious file in Windows Explorer. While Microsoft has been notified, full details remain undisclosed until a patch is released. NTLM vulnerabilities are widely exploited in relay attacks and pass the hash exploits to bypass authentication and gain network access. A temporary fix is available from Acro's Security while waiting for Microsoft's official response. Google has patched its first Chrome Zero Day of 2025, tracked as CVE 2025 2783, which was actively exploited in real-world attacks. Kaspersky researchers discovered the flaw during an investigation into Operation Forum Troll, a phishing campaign targeting Russian media universities and government agencies. The exploit bypassed Chrome's sandbox, allowing attackers to deploy spyware-grade malware. The issue stemmed from incorrect handle usage in Mojo, a key Chrome component. Google responded swiftly with Chrome version 134.0.6998.178 now available globally. Users should update Chrome immediately via settings about Chrome to stay protected. VMware has patched a high-severity vulnerability, CVE 2025 22230, in VMware tools for Windows, which could allow privilege escalation on affected virtual machines. The flaw, rated 7.8/10 on the CVSS scale, stems from improper access control and can be exploited without user interaction. A malicious actor with non-admin privileges on a guest VM could potentially gain high-level control, posing risks like escaping the VM lateral movement and rogue VM creation. No workarounds exist, and users must update to VMware tools May 1st, 12 to stay secure. Linux and macOS versions are unaffected. ESET has uncovered Operation Fish Medley, a 2022 cyber espionage campaign by Chinese cybersecurity firm iSoon targeting 7 organizations across Taiwan, Hungary, Turkey, Thailand, the US, and France. iSoon, also known as Fishmonger Aquatic Panda and Red Devten, operates under the Vinti Group, allegedly aligning with Beijing's interests. The US has indicted 10 iSoon employees for cyber intrusions affecting government agencies, NGOs, and activists. Attackers gained deep network access using Impacket Shadowpad Spider and SodaMaster for credential theft and lateral movement. A new malware RPipe commander was also identified as a reverse shell for remote command execution. ESET warns this tool may be part of a larger cyber espionage arsenal. The SEC emphasizes cybersecurity disclosure for IPO and public companies due to financial, legal, and reputational risks. The 2023 seconds rules expand on 2018 guidance requiring disclosures on cybersecurity risk management governance and incident reporting in Form S1, 10K, and 8K filings. Companies must disclose material cybersecurity incidents, risks, financial impacts, and board oversight. Failure to report accurately can lead to SEC enforcement, as seen in October 2024 when 4 companies were fined up to $4 million for misleading cybersecurity disclosures. Public companies should enhance disclosure controls, integrate cybersecurity into due diligence, and align with industry frameworks like NIST. The SEC also warns against insider trading on cybersecurity incidents. MORSECORP will pay $4.6 million to settle False Claims Act allegations for failing to meet cybersecurity requirements in contracts with the U.S. Army and Air Force, the Department of Justice announced. The settlement resolves claims that Morse knowingly submitted false or fraudulent payment requests despite non-compliance with contractual cybersecurity obligations. MLEX provides specialized legal risk analysis on regulatory enforcement, data privacy, AI and cybersecurity, offering daily newsletters, custom alerts, predictive analysis, and curated case files. That's a wrap for Hacker Hacks. Stay vigilant and keep your systems secure. Subscribe for weekly updates on the latest cyber threats. Until next time, stay safe in the digital world.